Create an application consisting of a Razor page called index, but without its backing C# file. The Razor page should print your name. Basically, a Razor page, let us say a Razor page called index, it is a pair of two files. One file is, let us say, CS.html, and its companion file is CS.html.cs. So a Razor page usually consists of a pair of two files, the name of which is exactly the same index, but one is of extension CS.html and the other is of extension CS. Now this file contains the C# code, the code associated with this file. Now this file is optional. We can always write the entire code in this file if the code is small. So basically this question says that you have to create an application in which there is no backing C# file, and the entire code therefore has to be written in the index.cs HTML file itself. So this is just a simple exercise, and let us have a walkthrough on creating the whole project. Open your Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2019 will also be okay. 2022 is also okay. Create a new project and ensure that you have this installed ASP.NET Core web app, and then select on next. Give it any name, and I am giving it name My Razor app, and give its location. Take note of your location, and you can choose all the defaults. Click on next. Then select the framework